Hi, this is your LBS Applicant Control Panel Guidelines. First, open Chrome, Safari or any browser on your phone, desktop or laptop. Then, on your search bar, type arms.lbsrecruitment.com.ph and click Go or Enter on your keyboard. Once you're already on the LBS ACP site, click the menu icon or the three bars at the upper right. Then, click Sign Up. Next, fill in the sign-up form and upload your resume or CV. Once done, click the Sign Up button. Finally, you are now registered to LBS ACP. Click the X to close this prompt. You will also receive an email regarding your successful registration that includes your username and password. You are now on your dashboard or homepage. On your dashboard, you can view your profile picture, full name, control number, and your latest application status. You can also see the downloadable forms, your lined-up status, recommended jobs, and your account activity logs. To see the menu, click the three-line bars at the upper right corner. In Curriculum Vitae section, fill in your personal details, work experiences, trainings and seminars, etc. For My Documents section, you can view and upload scanned or clear photos of your supporting documents. For My Messages menu, aside from the email and SMS notifications, you can receive the LBS messages here. You may also send a message to LBS using this ACP account of yours. And the LBS Vacancies menu is where you can view your recommended jobs and LBS jobs lists. Any clarifications? Message us.